What's up guys, welcome to today's video. My name is John and we're going to take a look at Bitcoin's price action. Why isn't the Bitcoin price action doing basically anything? And then we're going to take a look at SingularityNET and Bittensor and which one would I buy. Alright, so let's start with Bitcoin's price action, and it's so bad. We're just ranging, it's so illiquid. If you're wondering what's causing this price action, it's basically the lack of buying or selling power. Look at the volume, lack of market participants, like in general, because it's so illiquid, you know, it's that. And this is the part of a bear market. It's obviously not great for your trading when Bitcoin is just ranging 0.5% range. It's just terrible. But let's take a look at which side can Bitcoin break, to the upside or to the down. Okay, let's take a look at this. And for this prediction, I have limit order heat map. So what are you looking at, you may be wondering? And let me tell you that you're looking at bids and offers on the Binance futures exchange. All right, so basically where big players have their limit orders or limit orders in general, but limit buys or limit sells. We can take a look at it. So basically these yellow lines right here, these are limit buys. There's plenty of them, but everything above Bitcoin's price action, these are limit sells. So just these guys. All right, these guys. And if we filter it out a bit, it's quite obvious which side is more active, or even like this. All right, and it's so obvious that there are so many bids and there's basically no offers in here. Well, this is telling us that it's much easier for Bitcoin to move up rather than down, because there's so much demand. All right, a lot of demand, but no supply above the Bitcoin price action. So it's quite obvious that this should break to the upside, right? I think so. Everything is probability, but this is just way too strong. And every time that in the past few days, when you see a major rally like this, basically these arrows describe it, all right? I would call this a market maker playbook. What this is telling me is that after a major rally where we're ranging for a while, there's a lot of longs entering right here. And then the market maker just push the price down, and then we pump, then we wrench, a lot of longs enter here, and then we just dump it all and liquidate those long from the wrench, and then we super small volatility, and then we go up again. So this beautiful drawing is kind of what I would predict. So something like this, all right? The market maker playbook continuation. So this would be everything from the Bitcoin price action. And let's take a look at SingularityNET and Bittensor finally. So SingularityNET ticker is AGIX and Bittensor ticker is TAO. Bittensor TAO is only listed on MaxC from the major exchanges, and SingularityNET is listed pretty much everywhere. Binance, Gate, KuCoin, everything that you can possibly use. All right, almost. Maybe Bybit. I don't know if there's Bybit, but it's on Binance. That's what matters. And yeah, the market cap of SingularityNET is 85, and the market cap of Bittensor is just this amount. And you might be wondering what's this from the number standpoint, and the number of Bitcoin's market cap is 108 or 109, something like this. All right, 108, like this coin. So Bittensor is obviously much smaller, or not much, but it's smaller. And if you're looking for higher potential returns, you want to aim at lower market caps, because it's much easier for them to move in price. But I'm going to discuss sort of the fundamentals behind both of these projects. So first we have SingularityNET, and I just don't get it. This project, SingularityNET, is just an AI marketplace, an AI publisher. If I would have to compare it to something, it's, for example, if you know Facebook Marketplace, where people buy and sell stuff, it's the same thing, just for AI models. And tell me, why would this project need ERC20 token? it's just a liquidity grab. It's, for example, and it's probably an ICO scam. It's such a bullshit, guys. You may be wondering, oh, okay, so if it's such a bullshit, why is it 85 in market cap? Well, let me tell you, if you didn't notice, there was a major AI narrative wave. So AI tokens were just skyrocketing. It's something like internet these days. It's just no one takes a look at the fundamentals anymore. And then we have Bittensor. So this is the Bittensor website, and Bittensor is also AI project on the blockchain, but the fundamentals behind this are so much better that it's just crazy that this project isn't even higher. And this is not even listed on Binance. It's on MaxC. So if you want to buy it now, guys. I'm going to summarize the fundamentals behind this real quick, all right? And why is it so much better? All right, so listen. This is Bittensor network. And basically, a market participant on the Bittensor network can make their own AI model, and based on how good their AI model is, the network is going to pay him, all right? And these models on the network, for example, let's say that bunch of your friends, so you're like a group of 10, and you join this Bittensor network, all right? Every one of you makes their own AI model, all right? And these AI models of you and your friends are going to communicate together and take the part that every of these models needs, and it's going to make the whole network better, all right? So the network is getting better as a whole. So the network is just incentivizing users to make the AI models better based off of their work or the quality of their AI model on the network. They're going to receive more money. It's just great model, all right? And then so you can think of the network as one whole AI model that's very efficient. And you may be wondering, what's their capitalization model, all right? So how does this make money? And this is the best part about it. If you're, for example, firm or company that wants to use AI, you can, in the future, it's doesn't work yet, but it's going great for now. We're in a good way. But what you can do as a company is that you can go to the Bittensor network and use their AI model, and for exchange of Tau, which is their governance token. So if you're a company, you're going to pay with Tau for the AI models on the Bittensor network. So if Bittensor network has really great AI models and this whole system works, like the collaborative work on the AI models and the network getting better as a whole as a general AI agent, there's so much better potential than SingularityNET. The capitalization model, how they make money, company goes to the network, buys a stake here, can use their AI model, gonna pay with Tau, so this is going to increase the price of Tau. It's just much better, all right? I'm sorry for talking so long about this, but if you would just consider this, all right? So Bittensor Network is a really good AI general agent, which means that this is AI that can do multiple tasks. It's really good at it. And then some company or multiple companies that want to, for example, save money or just because of the competition, they want to use better AI models. They can just go to the Bittensor network and just by locking Tau, they can use these AI models, and it's just going to the price of Tau can skyrocket in the future. If you have multiple companies that just have to use these great AI models on the Bittensor network, this can really pump the price higher. I encourage you to take a look at this bittensor.com website and then go on from here. All right, you can join their Discord. You can buy it on MaxC. It has lower market cap than SingularityNET. It's more low key. It's the fundamentals behind it are so great. It's just a great investment, guys. All right, you can take a look at it. And yeah, I just had to talk about this because it's such a gem. It's such a gem, guys. All right, thank you for watching this video, and until the next one, bye bye.